In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formulas and functions in Microsoft Excel. We'll start by opening Excel and getting clear on one important idea. Formulas and functions are related, but they are not exactly the same thing. A formula is an equation that you create yourself to perform a calculation. For example, if you type equals A1 plus B1, Excel adds the values in those two cells. A function, on the other hand, is a built-in formula that Excel already knows how to use. A common example is equals CM, followed by a range like A1 through A10, which adds all the numbers in that group of cells. To enter a basic formula, first select the cell where you want the answer to appear, then type an equal sign. After that, enter your formula. You can add, subtract, multiply, or divide using examples like equals A1 plus B1 equals A1 minus B1 equals A1 times B1 or equals A1 divided by B1. When you're done, press enter and Excel will calculate the result right away. To use a function, select a cell and type an equal sign followed by the function name. For example, type